Days after ninth round of talks between farmers and centre failed to yield any breakthrough, farmer leaders are going to be holding an internal meeting to chalk out their next strategy. The internal meeting is coming in the backdrop of ninth round of talks with the centre on Friday, wherein the government proposed forming an informal group with the members from both sides. Centre, while urging farm unions to take the legal route, made it clear that it will not roll back the 3 farm laws until the Supreme Court deems the laws illegal. However, farmers remain adamant on their demand of withdrawal of laws and have refused to take the legal route, terming it a long process. The next round of talks between farmers and centre slated to take place on 15th of January. Ashutosh is now joining us live from the Singhu border. Ashutosh, the centre's put its hands up saying that we will not be repealing the farm laws until and unless the Supreme Court tells us to do so. So does this really mean that all eyes are on Supreme Court, because there is a petition challenging the constitutional validity of these 3 farm laws?
So, as far as, the last meeting is concerned, 9th round meeting, we have seen that have been inconclusive between the government and the farmers. The government has indicated, let's wait for the Supreme Court ruling. Whereas the farmers are not really, going by the government side, that they are also going to wait for the Supreme Court ruling. Indeed, there is a hearing, cases have been filed challenging these validity of these farm laws. The farmers believe that the government in its constitutional duty do have a right to make any kind of law, whether that suits the people, that suits the farmer or not, that suits their interest or not. But government, as constitutional right, they have form any law. Here the farmers are saying whether the laws that being framed and formed by the government is going to help them in future or not. That's the key issue, and that's exactly why they are fighting from road to the other places, including these meetings, in terms of making perception that why these farmers are right. So, altogether this is a different battle with the government, that the government was right, brought these laws, but farmers are saying this is against their interest. And as we know, the several meetings have taken place, have been inconclusive. There is hardly going to be any negotiation. But at the same time, the farmers are not going to call it back until the government repeal the law. That's exactly why this afternoon, 12 o'clock, they have called a meeting to check out further strategy. We have seen the power show by these farmers calling out Republic Day parade rehearsal with their tractors on the KMP Expressway. On 23rd, they will be garrowing the governor's houses in different states. Several protests, nationwide protests, also being planned by the farmers group in different sectors in different state capitals. The big flashpoint is going to be the Republic Day, when these farmers have, as they have announced, they are going to take out parade march with the tractors. Again, the strategy to mount pressure on the government.
All right, Ashutosh, thanks for joining us with those latest details right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.